Hi, so we are straight going to dive into this video because I actually did not plan on recording this at all. But for some reason, I think, I don't know, some energy around me just kept telling that I need to tell this to the person who is going to click on this video. So I'm going to tell you a few things that I think can change your life because they have changed my life. And 90% of this is going to revolve around manifestation. So pause this video right now and take like 3 deep breaths and imagine that when you're taking a breath, and when you're exhaling, just think of like a light. यहाँ पे कोई एक light है that's just cleaning your whole body. So thrice, just do it thrice, and then your whole body is clean. So pause it and do it because I'm not going to do it in front of you because doing this stuff on camera gives me the ick. So you do it yourself. Okay, assuming now you're done with that, and if you're not, go back and do it. I've told you guys multiple times before that I heavily believe in manifestation. You can't tell me that you've never felt like there's no energy. Like, how do you think everything just falls back into place? First thing is the power of assumption. We've seen everybody say that, oh, you should, use the power of affirmations and like do the affirmation method. And then like I say it a lot, that wake up and say that, hey, like 5 nice things about me, that today is going to be such a great day, today is going to be this, today is going to be that. But आप ये 100 बार बोल सकते, but if your brain does not accept it, it's not going to work. I'm sorry. Like a lot of people are like, when I'm manifesting, some bad shit comes to my head. It's okay. You just keep manifesting. ऐसा नहीं होता कि आप एक बार ही meditate करने बैठोगे तो आप सीधा अगले दिन तुम्हारे साथ बिल्कुल सब बढ़िया हो जाएगा. No, you have to wait, and it's like a practice. You have to keep doing it and have some sort of discipline while doing any of this stuff. Discipline is really important. Sometimes discipline can take you places where even your talent can't take you. So by power of assumption, I mean that just assume that everything is exactly how you planned it to be. For example, right now while listening to this video, like think of it like this कि अगर मैं ऐसी हो गई या मैं ऐसा बन गया तो I would consider my life sorted. That इसके बाद I would retire and I would just like travel around the world. Think of your future self like that. ठीक है? Now imagine that you have embodied that. That's you. Like let's say 10 years down the line, that's you. If you're 18 right now, that imagine your 28-year-old self who has everything, who's, I'm just saying for example, who lives in New York and who has their own penthouse and who has like this beautiful amazing cars and all these new gadgets, whatever, however you guys imagine your life to be, like you're a doctor, whatever it is. And then think of a day in their life. For me, if I'm 22 right now, let's say if I imagine myself at 28, I would imagine that I am in my own house and my company has an office and all of that. So a day in my life would be like, I wake up, I go to the gym, I come back, I eat something nice in my house. Now imagine how your house would look like. Would you have a patio? Would you sit in your balcony? Like aapko every single thing, just assume it, okay? And think of a day in your life. And it would work even better if you take a journal and you write it that, I wake up, I do this, I do that. Like all of this, imagine, assume that you are your 28 or 30, basically your successful self. Now, what's the difference between you there and the difference between you here? You have already achieved it, okay? That is your 30-year-old self. But right now, of course, you're not that. But what can you do to work directly towards it? Of course, you can work on your goals. But another thing is that you start living like that. Even though you might not be as successful as you're going to be, but that doesn't mean that you can't wake up and go to the gym or wake up and eat something healthy or wake up and say nice things about you, or just let's say tomorrow you wake up. I want you to wake up and assume that you have everything that you possibly could dream of, and you look at life around you. This is something I practice every single day. Like I wake up, I open my curtains and I'm like, oh my god, this is such a beautiful day. I am so grateful to live this day. I am so grateful that there are lakhs of people watching my video. You can twist these words and cater them to how it would work for you. And this is called the power of assumption. Assume that everything in your life that you could possibly dream of is already there. If you guys can imagine fake Wattpad scenarios, then you can easily imagine this. You know how you imagine those, oh my god, what if like my crush texts me that he likes me back, and those butterflies that you get even though it's not happening, but you think of it and it makes you feel something. Now imagine if you do this exercise and makes you feel something, and you do it every single day with discipline. I can bet my ass on it that you will get everything that you're hoping for. And why not? This is the vibe that I am putting out there for you. Why can't you put it out there for yourself? So you either start your day on a positive note or end your day on a positive note. I always say that the best time to manifest is right after waking up or right before sleeping, because that is your alone time. Okay? Sometimes I understand that you might not get your alone space. You might not even have your own room. But सोने से पहले या जागने के just बाद, even if you find like 2 minutes of peace, where nobody is disturbing you or you're not with someone, just do it. And even if it's not immediately fruitful for you, it's going to change the way you look at the world, and you are going to feel like the whole world caters to you. Now this will not happen if you keep on throwing pity parties. मेरे साथ ये नहीं हो रहा, मेरा उस कॉलेज में एडमिशन नहीं हुआ, मेरे मार्क्स इसमें घटिया है. So what? First of all, let me break it to you, nobody gives a fuck. No one cares, ठीक है, कि आपके मार्क्स अच्छा है कि नहीं. Your parents might, but that's all. You and your parents. No one cares if you just got fired. No one cares if you can't find a job. No one cares. I understand that being humans, we need the sort of comfort by telling our friends or our boyfriends or our parents that, you know, this happened, but once, twice, thrice, bus. So this is something that I don't recommend at all. Do not throw pity parties. यार अब तो मैं अनएम्प्लॉयड हूँ यार, तो मेरे पास तो कुछ भी नहीं है करने को. आप क्यों बोल रहे हो ये सब? किसी को घंटा फर्क नहीं पड़ता है सब. एंड यू नॉट ओनली मेकिंग दोज पीपल फील लाइक ओह इसके पास तो कुछ भी नहीं है. मतलब अगर आज की डेट में कोई मेरे को कोई बताता है कि यार मेरे पास तो कुछ भी नहीं है काम करने को, मेरे को थोड़ा सा उनके लिए बुरा लगेगा. फिर अगर मुझे छठे दिन भी यही बात बताते हैं, बोलूंगी oh my god, either find a fucking job or just stop telling me. Even if I love that person a lot, I will listen to it, but there's nothing I can do about it. The only person who can change it is you. And I'm not asking you to change the way you look at life. I am just asking you to change the way you look at yourself. I've said this on my channel like 5,000 times that जब मैं बार बार फेल हो रही थी एक एग्जाम में, मैं I was like कुछ manifestation वगैरह कुछ काम नहीं करती. Universe doesn't give a fuck about me. I would say like I almost lost my faith in universe power to protect me, but I still believed it's out there. I just thought that it's not going to help me, and that was sort of an eye opener that if I don't help myself, no one else is going to. That's why they say God helps those who help themselves. So fucking get up and help yourself. And your first step would be stop telling people about your shit. Like literally, if you think that you're going on a trip, don't tell people. Because nazar is very real. And I'm not saying that people put nazar ki, अच्छा ये trip पे जा रही है, अब I hope इसकी टांग टूट जाए. ऐसे नहीं. It's just this vibration that they put out that oh my god, she's going on a trip. Probably because she doesn't have so much work pressure as I do. I hope that I could also go. अब उनकी vibration is here, but your excitement की वजह से your vibration is here. And now because आपकी vibrations are clashing, even your vibration is bound to come down. It's like even if you meet in middle, that would still mean that your vibration's coming down, and we don't want that, which is why everyone says that stop telling people stuff. Another way of getting rid of this feeling or you know this pressure of not telling stuff is to surround yourself with people who are successful. This is very important. I'll give you an example. So before starting my own company, before having this idea of you know just waking up one day and like making like an e-commerce platform where I can sell tableware, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मेरा दिमाग बहुत छोटा था, ठीक है. मुझे पता था मुझे क्या करना है, पर मुझे ये नहीं पता था कि भाई मैं किससे बात करूँ, लाइक क्या चलेगा भी कि नहीं. एंड दैट टाइम आई वाज़न्ट इवन एन एस्टैब्लिश्ड यूट्यूबर. सो आई जस्ट थॉट दैट इट वुड जस्ट बी स्ट्रेट अप माई मार्केटिंग स्किल्स. एंड देन मैं उसी सर्कल में थी. मैं अपने दोस्तों के साथ बैठ के उनसे पूछती थी कि तुम्हें लगता है क्या चलेगा या नहीं चलेगा. दे वुड गिव देयर बेस्ट एडवाइस. ऑफकोर्स दे डिडंट नो हाउ बिग आई वांटेड माई बिजनेस टू बिकम और हाउ बिग आई वांटेड माई यूट्यूब टू बिकम. तो दे वुड जस्ट बी लाइक हाँ तू ये ब्लॉग कर ले, हाँ वो ये कर ले. इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि वो बुरे लोग थे. इसका मतलब ये है कि दैट सिचुएशन इट डजंट मीन दैट दे डोंट नो स्टफ. देयर माइंड डजंट वर्क द सेम वे दैट माइंड डज. आई जस्ट रियलाइज दैट मेबी इस पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक के लिए मैं ये बात अपने दोस्तों के साथ नहीं कर सकती. सो दैट इज व्हेन आई रियलाइज दैट मेबी आई नीड टू स्पीक टू पीपल हु हैव ऑलरेडी अचीव्ड इट. ओके, सो I literally set up meetings with CEOs through contacts. I'm not going to lie, I did through contacts. Okay, कोई भी मेरी email का reply नहीं करा था, तो mostly मैंने अपने contacts ही लगाए थे. I have taken so many meetings with like successful CEOs and I realized that जो मेरा सपना था, ठीक है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल कि मुझे अपनी कंपनी को इस डिजिट तक पहुंचाना है, वो तो बहुत छोटा है. like literally that's so small. when I tell these people and they're like oh you just want to do that, ये तो आप शायद 1-2 साल में ही कर लोगे. क्योंकि उनका दिमाग इतना ज़्यादा, उनका like spectrum is so broadened that they think that they can get anything, and that is the mindset that you need to have. That's the mindset that I needed to have that time. And once I spoke to those people and I was like yeah, like even though I'm a one-man company, I am still going to reach the levels that I could never even think of. This is why I say that surround yourself with people, successful people, because they are never going to envy you. वो already इतने अच्छे level पे पहुंच चुके हैं, वो आपको envy करके क्या ही करेंगे. The only thing is that they would be happy for you. And I say this all the time. For example, right now I don't consider myself a successful YouTuber. I won't. At least till I hit 100K, and that's just how my mind works. But I still know what I'm doing is going to work for me in the future, and I'm 100% sure about it. And why do you think I'm sure about it? I'm literally going to play a clip after this where I say that 2025 is going to be the best year of my life, and this has literally been the year where a YouTube channel literally blew up. I found all of you guys. Number 2, I launched my business, and here's the clip. ऐसी genuinely कैसी मेरे को दिल मेरा बता पा रहा है कि 2025 is going to be a crazy year. Like I feel like मैं एक psychic हूँ और मुझे कहीं से पता चला है कि 2025 बहुत अच्छा होने वाला है. Also मैं content creation काफी seriously लेने वाली हूँ. So now my point is, even though I do not consider myself a successful YouTuber, but if let's say one of you guys, you ask me that, I want to start my YouTube channel and this is my idea, maybe I want to do story time, maybe I want to do vlogs, and so I would never think that this is not possible for you. Give you tips that, you do this, maybe आप ये जो कर रहे हो इसको आप पलट के ऐसा कर दो. Why? Because I see your vision. But the same thing if you tell say your aunt or uncle, they would just be like, hey, YouTube channel वो क्या होता है, उससे पैसे भी कमाते हो कि नहीं. My main point is that if you want to share these like nice things about your life or nice ideas that you have, share it with people who see the vision and not with people who would just straight up either disregard what you say or envy you. The last thing that ties all of this stuff together is confidence. Even if you do not know what you're talking about, just be confident. Knowledge is always going to help you feel confident, but literally your brain is what's going to show other people that you're confident. Your body language is the way others will think you're confident. Right now I'm talking to you, the way I am speaking, do you think that I'm underconfident? No, because that's just not how I'm portraying myself. आपको क्या पता कि मैं अंदर से कांप रही हूँ कि कैसे मैं अपने 50,000 सब्सक्राइबर के सामने ऐसी बात करूंगी, मुझे तो पता भी नहीं मैं क्या बात. How do you know? Nobody knows. You only know what I tell you about my life. You can assume what you want, but if my lips haven't uttered that word, it's simply not true. You know the 1 million things that are going on in your life. I don't. कल को अगर आप randomly मेरे से आके मिलते हो and you tell me that, you know what, I have a company, I'm a CEO and we're making like 500 crores in profit, I would believe you. If the way you talk is confident, I would believe you. This is literally what's happening right now. Like right now while you're talking to me, I feel like I am not Sadhguru. I'm not someone who's qualified to do TED Talks. But why are you listening to me? Why are you still watching this video? Because you are inclined to believe that whatever I'm saying is true. And why is that? Because I am saying it with confidence. And it's as simple as that. If you believe that what you say or what you tell others holds some weight, then that's what others are going to believe too. यही मैं अगर वीडियो स्टार्ट करती बोलते हुए कि गाइस वैसे ना मुझे कुछ पता नहीं है इन सब चीज़ों के बारे में, लेकिन मैं ना सोच रही थी कि जो मैं सोचती हूँ वो सब मैं अगर आपको बता दूँ पहले ही, तो क्या हो सकता है कि आपके साथ भी. नो, जस्ट से क्लियर कट शिट. लाइक अपनी बातों को घुमाना, इतना सब करना, अपने दिमाग में सोचो. ये सब अपने दिमाग में रखो, किसी और के सामने बोलने की जरूरत नहीं है. द रीजन व्हाई समवन एल्स विल बिलीव दैट यू आर कॉन्फिडेंट इज इफ यू पोर्ट्रे दैट दे कैन बेट ऑन एनीथिंग दैट यू से and they'll win the bet. That's all. That's all. So if you want to change your life, change the way you look at yourself. More importantly, change the way others look at you. So from now on, I just want you to portray yourself as the best fucking person in whatever field it is that you are in, and just tell people that I know everything. Literally know everything. Don't be cocky, but don't be naive. This doesn't mean that आप कुछ पढ़ाई लिखाई मत करो, किसी चीज़ की नॉलेज गेन मत करो और आप ऐसे ही चपड़ चपड़ करते रहो. No, you don't have to faff. But all in all, I just want you to believe that if you think that you are the it girl, or you want to be the it girl, or you love to resonate with it girls but you just don't feel like it, change it. Crying, wake up and say nice things about yourself. And that is how the universe rewards you. You say nice things about yourself, the universe gives you nice things. You say bad things about yourself, it gives you bad things. Literally reciprocates the same energy that you put out there. That's it. That's all I want to say. And I literally didn't even plan on recording this video, and I have been talking for 25 minutes straight. That's why editing these sit down videos becomes such a task for me. Anyway, I hope that you got something out of this video, and if you didn't, then I'm sorry. I believe that my advice really works. Well, now I will see you in my next vlog, and the sun is shining so bright I can't even see. I hope you liked it. Bye.